to help me. So this is Leo Chulkov, and I'm Nadежда Чулкова, and we are here to present a small portion of The Night Before Christmas. Let us now take a glance at what Chub's beautiful daughter was about when left alone. Oksana hasn't yet completed her 17th year, and already all the people of Dikanka, nay, even the people beyond it, talk of nothing but her beauty. The young men are unanimous in their decision and have proclaimed her the most beautiful girl that ever was or ever can be in the village. Oksana knows this well and hears everything that is said about her, and she is, of course, as capricious as a beauty knows how to be. Had she been born to wear a lady's elegant dress instead of a simple peasant's petticoat and apron, she would doubtless have proved so fine a lady that no maid could have remained in her service. The lads followed her in crowds, but she used to put their patience to such trials that they all ended by leaving her to herself and taking up with other girls not so spoiled as she was. Sorry. The blacksmith was the only one who didn't desist from his lawsuit, but continued it, notwithstanding her ill treatment, in which he had no less share than the others. When her father was gone, Oksana remained for a long time decking herself and coquetting before a small looking-glass framed in tin. She could not tire of admiring her own likeness in the glass. "Why do men talk so much about me being so pretty?" said she absently, merely for the sake of gossiping aloud. "Nonsense! There is nothing pretty in me." But the mirror, reflecting her fresh, animated, childish features with brilliant dark eyes and a smile most inexpressibly bewitching, proved quite the contrary. "Unless," continued the beauty, holding up the mirror, "maybe my black eyebrows and my dark eyes are so pretty that no prettier are to be found in the world. As for this little snub nose of mine, and my cheeks, and my lips, what is there pretty in them? Or are my tresses so very beautiful? Oh, one might be frightened at them in the dark. They seem like so many serpents twining round my head. No, I see very well that I am not at all beautiful." And then, on a sudden, holding the looking-glass a little further off, "No," she exclaimed. "No, I really am pretty. And how pretty, and how beautiful, and what joy shall I bring to him whose wife I am to be? How delighted will be my husband to look at me. He will forget all other thoughts in his love for me. He will smother me with kisses." "A strange girl, indeed," muttered the blacksmith, had in the meantime entered the room, "and no small share of vanity has she got. There she stands for the last hour, looking at herself in the glass, and cannot leave off, and moreover praises herself aloud. I love you. Bye.